In today's video, we're going to explore 3 of the best TV remote control apps for Android. If you're tired of juggling multiple remotes or just want a more convenient way to control your TV, these apps are perfect for you. Join us as we delve into their features and see how they can simplify your home entertainment experience. Universal TV Remote Control. Universal TV Remote Control is a versatile app that allows you to control various TV brands and models from your Android device. With a user-friendly interface, this app provides an easy way to navigate through channels, adjust volume, and access different features of your television. It connects via infrared, IR, or Wi-Fi, making it compatible with a wide range of televisions. Additionally, it supports a variety of devices, including set-top boxes and media players, making it a one-stop solution for all your remote control needs. Smart TV Remote. Smart TV Remote is specifically designed for controlling smart TVs from various brands, including Samsung, LG, Sony, and others. This app offers a sleek interface that mimics a traditional remote, allowing users to easily browse channels, control volume, and navigate streaming apps. Smart TV Remote connects to your TV via Wi-Fi, enabling seamless control without the need for physical remotes. It also includes additional features like a touchpad and keyboard for easier text input. For those with smart TVs, this app is a reliable choice for convenient control. Remote Plus LG, Roku, Fire TV. Remote Plus is a multifunctional app that allows users to control LG TVs, Roku devices, and Amazon Fire TV. This app provides specific features tailored to each device, making it easy to navigate menus, search for content, and control playback. Remote Plus connects to your devices via Wi-Fi and offers a user-friendly interface with quick access to your favorite apps and channels. Additionally, the app includes voice control and screen mirroring features, allowing users to cast content from their phone to the TV. This comprehensive app is perfect for households with multiple streaming devices. Thank you for watching our video on the best TV remote control apps for Android. We hope these recommendations make it easier for you to manage your TV and streaming devices. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.